Are you ready to stop renting and start owning? Get ready for our free 1-hour homebuyer seminar, including free pizza, prizes, and other refreshments and more. September 6th from 5:15 to 6:15. Other sponsors include First American Title and Country Financial. Hello everyone, Brett Bolsenthal, eXp Realty, along with Stuart Hoyer of Finance of America. We are super stoked to bring you this packed full, powerful event. All credit is welcome. No more paying your landlords, making your landlords rich. No more sharing walls with neighbors. Get the home you've always dreamed of, and more.
Brett, I got to tell you, I'm so excited to be here with you at this event. The opportunity to help home buyers purchase their first home, it's a fantastic feeling. A number of things usually prevent people from buying a home, and those might be anywhere from student loan debt, past credit histories, or even just a lack of down payment. But don't let that stop you from coming to our event, because we have programs to help people with all those scenarios. So we look forward to having you there and be a part of this fantastic event. Also, one additional thing that we offer every one of our home buyers is a free 1-year home warranty that can help protect you guys from any major issues that happen with the home during that first year. So it's a safety net for you.
You know, these homes are starting off as low as $800 a month. Check out some of these amazing homes. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, private backyard, central air, plenty of storage, and more. Come join us once again September 6th from 5:15 to 6:15. We look forward to seeing you there. Make sure to RSVP because space is limited.